Howdy people, Mark's here, Everything Tenere, and today we're gonna do a little product review or first look. And this is the Enduristan Races to Places limited edition bag kit. So this is what Linton Poskett put together, a set of bags that would cover everything for your adventure ride. So this kit contains of a tank bag, saddlebags, a duffel, Rok straps. So that's it. I also added a Toolroll, so we will look at that as well. So let's check out the bags. So we'll start with the tank bag, which is a Sandman 4H. So this is a 7-liter tank bag with a map pocket on it. Of course, you get all the attachment points, heavy duty buckles with zip ties that you put around your frame. You get, I think it was 4 extra zip ties, which is good if you decide to remove them and you have to cut them off and put them back, in a different place. But looking at this bag, it's this heavy duty fabric material. You have mesh pockets on the side with a Velcro on both sides, carry handle, extra attachment points if you want to strap something down on it. Opening it up, you have a removable pocket with also mesh pockets on it and a keychain, zipper for another pocket, Velcro here for the large pocket, and some attachment things here as well on the inside. So for sure you can remove this one. And I told you guys that you can remove the map pocket as well, of course. So the map pocket has an entry point here for a charging cable if you want to have your iPad or whatnot in there, or your phone, and charge it at the same time. Same goes for into the bag, so you can route a cable into your bag if you want to charge your GoPro batteries or other stuff. In the bag itself, you have a divider that you can move around with Velcro on the side. A little pocket there with a zipper on that divider. On the other side, you have a zipper and a pocket, and also like pen holders and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the Sandman 4H. Great bag, really, this will take a beating before it breaks for sure. And it's waterproof, of course. So we will look how it looks like on the bike when we go out and mount it on the bike as well, so you see how everything looks on the bike. So let's go to the saddlebags. So these are the Enduristan Blizzard Large. You also have the small and XL. So this large one is 12 liters per bag, so it's a 24 liter in total. Same kind of fabric as you see on all the other Enduristan things. With this limited edition, what you get is some special logo here on the sides. The same goes for the tank bag, of course, and the Tornado duffel bag. You also have a Races to Places logo on the tank bag. So when it comes to the Blizzard, all the Blizzard bags look the same. It's just different sizes. You have attachment point or molly on the sides. You have all the strap downs underneath the bag. You can attach water bottles and other accessories that Enduristan has. To make it watertight, you cinch it down like this, roll it like you would on any other watertight bag, and you have these buckles on the sides to hold that down, and also buckles to cinch it down around the bag so it's safe. Inside, nothing special, no pockets, nothing. You can buy an inner sack or like a organizer bag, which makes it easiest to pull out from this if you want to leave these on your bike. It's like a white bag that you can buy. When it comes to attachment on the bike, you have the straps that goes over the saddle or on the rear, on the pillion seat. If you have a rack, you put that over the rack. The only downside of this one is the buckles themselves, or how you tension this and fit it, because from my experience, it's a bit of a, you know, it's harder to, you know, tension these with the buckles here. I've seen a lot of guys putting 50mm regular buckles on this one, so they can easily remove them from a bike, or, you know, tighten them down and stuff like that. So you have the little protection here for your fairings on the inside. I don't really care if I get scratches, so for me, I don't bother if it would not be there or not. Then you have the straps to attach it to your frame, and we will see how that looks like as well. And that's pretty much the Blizzard bag. Now we come to the Duffle, which is the Tornado 2 medium-sized bag, and this swallows a lot of stuff. Even if it's the medium size, you have more sizes. This will fit my tent, a sleeping bag, my mattress, and much more, without even filling this one up. So the medium size, I think, fits perfectly. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's just, you know, perfect. So carry handle on that one, extra attachment points for strapping things down on it. If you go to the other side, you have a name plate or whatever. You can put a business card or something inside, from the inside to this one. You have molly on both sides, so you can put your Rok straps through and strap it to your bike easily. On the inside of the bag, you have one mesh pocket, or it's a mesh pocket, and then you have a zipper pocket as well. So that's everything on the inside, so nothing really special. And of course you have the cinch down buckles for when rolling this, and when you have packed it. You know, nothing that you really need to go through. So that's the Tornado 2, pretty awesome bag. So together with the kit, I told you guys, you also get a pair of Rok straps, 1400, so you can strap something in, and it's 1 meter 40 centimeters long at the maximum. You also get the spares, as I said. You get some silicone grease for the zippers, extra buckle, and this zip ties for the Sandman buckles to attach to the frame. I opted to buy a Toolroll as well, so we will look at the Toolroll. And it's a really smart little Toolroll. You know, opening it up, it has a magnetic plate here, so you can put your bolts and nuts and screws and everything when you're out in the field working on your bike, so you don't lose anything. It's a pocket in here where you can put tools, and you have a lot of these holders for tools as well, of course. You get 2 bit holders, and you have a mesh pocket with a zipper on this side. And I've seen a lot of reviews on these. I don't know how many tools you want to bring with you, but I think this will cover everything. And it's a really smart little kit. So otherwise, it's nothing special other than a little pulley thing here, so you can easily pull it out from your bags. So that's it. So let's go to the bike and put the bags on and see how it looks. So let's test mount the bags. You can see here I have my Atelier cut down classic or Arnold classic rack. I have already the Rok strap attached here to the mounts here, and in front here for the Tornado pack to be fastened. So the only thing I need to do is put the bag on, or the bags on, and you can watch me do it in a minute. So there we go, guys. Well,
The tank bag needs to be adjusted a bit. I need to tighten these down so it comes up a bit higher. But you can see here I filled the bags with pillows. You still can fit more in the blizzards, and of course in the tornado as well. So all the webbing and so on for the Rok straps will keep the bag from moving for sure. And it's a very solid install. Of course need to route and fix these. You have these elastic bands for them, so you can put the straps in so they don't go waving around in the wind. And as you can see, the tank bag, it might be a bit too big. I think the Sandstorm 4X would be perfect, because then you can you know, both do technical riding and so on. Standing up on the bike, it's fine, but if you're really moving around on the bike, this will limit your forward you know, motion or whatever to say. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and for anyone out there that wonders how the T7 looks like with the Enduristan bags on it, here you go. And the large size blizzards are a perfect fit. I wouldn't want to have the XL, which are quite big. I do have the small ones as well, but that's like 12 liters in total. You can't fit anything in there, so perfect for a day trip, but not much more. So stay tuned guys, stay safe, take care, and don't do anything stupid. Cheerios, bye bye.